Okay, guys, so this is a quick room tour of Azul Beach Resort Negril. This is my room. I just got here, so I didn't touch anything yet except the light. So we'll see what we have. When we walk in, we have a big wardrobe right here. It's like literally plenty of space with many cabinets. And we have a mini bar, coffee maker. There is some drinks in a mini bar as well. Let's see what we have. So water, Coke, and I believe it's beer. Yes, okay. So no snacks. And here is another wardrobe. And here we have safe, hair dryer, and rope. Okay, wonderful. So the room is pretty big. It's only me, so I don't need much, but that's how it look like. The sink, plenty of amenities, accessories, stuff like that. Very cute, mirror for girls. And that's me in a Halloween t-shirt because it's end of October. Next week is gonna be Halloween. So the bathroom is separate from the shower. Shower is right here. And yeah, it's also very, very big. And you have this shower right here and this shower. So that's pretty cool that they give options to people. Let me show you my balcony. You will be surprised. It's the first time I'm staying in this hotel as a travel agent. And this is my bed. I believe it looks like a king size. So they give you options for the light as well from that side. Plenty of chargers here. And pretty comfortable pillows. Very light design, no bright colors, even if the hotel's name is Azul Beach, which is blue in Spanish, but no bright colors. So I like it. And they get the little present for me, enjoy your stay, which is really nice, and something in the envelope. I haven't read it yet. So that's how big the room is. I'm gonna stay here for 3 nights, and I have to change my clothes and go for dinner at 6:30, but I have some time for myself. But guys, this is something incredible that I noticed about Charisma hotels, that look at their balconies. I stay with Charisma before in Punta Cana, and this is not the balcony, it's like a football court. You have the whole bed. You have a drying rack right there, which is really nice. And my balcony actually with ocean view. So what good about this hotel is that most of the rooms here have ocean views. So, and this is a swim up suites. Really nice. The hotel, actually, the resort is not that huge as it seems at the beginning. So very nice weather, warm, beautiful, not too many people, which I really like. So that's about it, guys. Tell me if you enjoy my tour. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will be more than happy to help you to book your next vacation in Jamaica.